the wake of tragic infant deaths in Chhindwara in Rajasthan linked to contaminated cough syrup, swift action is underway. Following Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav's directive, the license of Apna medical stores in Parasia has been revoked. The Food and Drug Administration in Madhya Pradesh has issued strict orders, and the state's drug department is on high alert, conducting widespread testing and preparing raids on pharmacies across multiple districts, including Bhopal. At the national level, the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare recently held a high-level review meeting chaired by Union Health Secretary Punya Salila Srivastava. The meeting focused on enforcing drug quality standards and promoting the rational use of cough syrups in children, following directives from Union Health Minister J.P. Nadda. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Mohan Yadav met with families affected by the tragedy, having cancelled his engagements in Barwani and Jabalpur. The state government assured the public that the vigilance campaign will continue until the investigation is fully completed.